Hi everyone, welcome to CIS 110. I just want to take you through the course quickly. One thing you'll want to always do is make sure you're reviewing the announcements. So anything I want to get out to the class, I will usually, when I post an announcement, also email it to you. So if you're checking your email, that's fine as well. You'll know that the announcement went out and it'll actually have a copy of it. But here I've got a welcome to CIS 110, and each week I'll be posting a welcome to week one, kind of give you the dates for the week, what modules we're covering. So we're covering module 1 and 2, what you have to read, what you have to complete in terms of either quizzes, the readings, and this week we have an Excel assignment and also participating in the discussion board. It won't be every week, but this week we do have it. So make sure you're going into your syllabus. Well, let's start with course orientation first. Go through it, watch the videos, important information about the book. You got to download Microsoft 365. They have, we've got videos in the course that make sure you are clicking on the video link and not the video itself. If you get an error, that just go back and click on the video link instead of the picture, because we've had that issue come up. You got an overview. You've got this syllabus and schedule link up here as well. All right, so we'll look at that shortly. And then this week you've got to take a course orientation quiz, and you got till this date to complete it. And this kind of ensures that you're present in the course and you don't get dropped from it. All right, so try to do that as early as you can. Then I would go into syllabus and schedule. Make sure you review the syllabus, of course, in how the course is laid out, but pay particular attention to the schedule, because the schedule will lay out week by week. Let me show you this here. So week 1, what you have to complete. So I would start the week kind of just looking at this and just seeing where are the graded items, and just kind of lay out a map of when you're going to accomplish this. For week 1, your Excel assignment is probably going to take you the longest. And then so each week just pay particular attention. So you may want to print this out or have it saved on your computer so you can easily access it. And then, near the end of the week, just make sure you're going through each of these items and you've completed the graded items. And, you should be fine with the course. Other things, so learning modules. So for week 1, we're covering module 1 and 2, so go through it, and this is basically the so-called lecture of the course, and there is a quiz for module 1. For each module there'll be a quiz, so make sure you're completing that. Now that's on the schedule that we just looked at, so if you're kind of looking at that, you'll cover it. So the quizzes for module 1 and 2, that's what they're referring to. So learning modules, view it as, the lectures of the course. The quizzes can also be found here. So, these are all the graded activities. So you have the assignments, which is the Excel assignment, and these all roll out as the course kind of opens up each week. There'll be the discussion board that, there's an overview of what you've got to, keep in mind. And for this week, you're kind of posting an intro, and just then we also have a discussion question about the digital business. So you would respond to this question by going in and creating a thread. All right, and then the quizzes and exams. The exams will be the midterm and the final. The quizzes, you can go in, and they're all available at this point in time, so you're just going to do these 2 for this week, and then so you go in and you can begin it whenever you're ready. this presentations, they will just have an individual presentation assignment later on in the course. So when it becomes available, and I'll post it in the announcement, so you'll know when it's available. But this, this is basically the core of the course. If you wanna contact me, for sure, the best way to contact me is through my email. So make sure you can you email me if you've got any questions. Taking a look at your grades, that's what you would kind of look at, and that's pretty much it. Any reference to a group assignment, because it's a 10-week course, I removed it. I think I removed it from most of it, so don't worry about anything that refers to the assignment in terms of the group one. But I think I got rid of it, so you shouldn't come across it, but just in case you do. So that's pretty much how the course is structured. If you do the work, it's not a bad course at all. If you've got questions, just shoot me an email. All right, take care.